2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Cream White Room called Great Song. This is a revamp. I did this song a while back, but just trying to redo some old videos. Alright, it's not for beginners. We got a bunch of bar chords and stuff, so this is for more advanced players. Start on G minor, bar chord. 1, 3, 4. We're gonna hit an F major bar chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. To D. Let's just play a D, so not a D major, just 1, 2. So no high E string. C major. 1, 2, 3. So that's gonna happen 2 times, and we're gonna end up on an A major. So it's and then we got that's gonna take us to the verse. So we got a D major, that D I showed you earlier, and then this C. That's a 3, 3, 3, 3, and then a B over G. That's 2nd fret on the A string, keep these guys where they are. And then 1 on the A string, that's B flat. To back to C. From the B, I will go back to this C. It's easier to grab quick. So down, 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 down. got the chorus. C major to G, B flat major bar chord starting on the 6th fret to A, C to G. If you want to play B flat here, you can do that. So first time to A, second time from B flat, go back to C, and then D. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus. We have that intro again. That happens, that goes round and round and round. That's all the parts. So let's review. We got the intro, G minor, F major, D, C, 2 times, bum, 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 and then end on A. And then we hit the verse, which is D, this C, B over G, and B flat over G, back to C. We got the chorus, C, G, B flat, to A major, C, to G, B flat, to C major, and end on D. Cool. That's the whole song. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be safe. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Thank you.